Now this is Megan shooting my dad's gun. And it's got a birdshot in it.
You just have to pull back on the...
Pull the hammer back.
I'll pull that back. I can't hear a fucking thing.
How's your shoulder feel?
It's fine. It's sore, but what's funny is you hear like you're talking from over here. That's part of that. It wasn't that bad though.
My turn.
You want a slug?
Well, we'll let Chelsea go and then we'll try this.
Put another birdshot in there. All right, Chelsea. And they had to put lipstick on to shoot this gun, Daddy. They had to reapply lipstick for you. Make sure you hold it up against your arm, baby.
Oh yeah, I know. I don't see what the big deal is.
I can't wait to show this to Wyatt.
Y'all are pussies.
Oh, shit. All right, do the slug.
Slug's gonna suck, huh?
Yeah, put the slug in, not the cigarette.
I don't think it's bad, but
No, it wasn't that bad.
everybody's...
All you boys are pussies. I'm just saying, it's not that bad.
I'm so proud of you girls.
Ooh, it kicks like a mule. It's so bad. So terrible. Really? Wait. I got it. See this? This is my boomstick!